Hey guys, you might get confused logging on the extension. So I am telling a simple way of logging in the SabApplier extension. So simple rule to log in on the extension, you need to log in on the website. So if you log it in the website, it automatically log in on the extension. You can log in on the extension through extension also, but it will redirect it to you this website. So you can directly come to the extension and click on the sign in. Then it will open your Gmail account. So select a Gmail account. So it is logged in my website. So as I logged in to log in on the extension, as it is logged in the website, is logged on the extension. So it might take like 1 minute or something uh, to sync there. Let's wait for 1 minute. So it is logged on the extension. So it is how you can log in. So you can log in directly. You can if you log out here, it will automatically log out on the extension. So this is how you can log in the extension, and you can start applying